Hello everyone, today we have a 2012 Ford F-350 Super Duty 4x4. Looks like it has some BD mods on it. It's going to be a 6.7 liter power stroke turbo diesel. And it's running good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. See, it does have a custom push bar on it, custom LEDs, and LED headlight surrounds. A lift, upgraded tires and wheels. Does have a spray-on liner in the bed, power sliding back window, airbag suspension there in back. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a tour of the interior. See, it does have tan leather seats. Here's the VIN right here. Okay, and as you look down here, you'll see it has 162,619 miles on this vehicle, and then you got your push to talk, your cruise control, your stereo controls. As you come over here, you'll see that it is equipped with navigation. And so if you want to cover the whole screen in navigation, we go there, and you can just go to map to look at the overall. And there we go. You can also play your CD and DVD. Okay, go ahead and go to phone. And you can connect via Bluetooth to your phone. As you come down here, you're going to see that you have 2- and 4-wheel drive, a 12-volt power outlet right there, trailering. These auxiliary banks, the upfitter switches are for your LED lights, and probably 2 of them are unused would be my guess. See that it has both heated or cooled front seats, and there's a USB port and an auxiliary port, another 12-volt power outlet. As you come down here, this seat will fold back up, but it's a seat 6, but right now it's folded down. As an armrest, cup holders, and then as you come up above, you have glasses holder, map reading lights, and your sunroof. That about wraps it up for this F-350 on the interior. This vehicle does have a clean title. For similar vehicles, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.